These people thought they were very clever, but of course, there were cameras which saw them. Although they had covered their heads, there were cameras which saw them. There were other signs, and the police kept looking for them. Later on the 9th of December, 2022, a group of criminals using the same mode of attack as in Busika attacked Kyabadaza police station along Masaka Road, during which they rescued 2 suspects from police custody, killed two civilians, and set station ablaze. But now, balekawo obubonero wesagala kumenya wano. They left there some signs which I don't want to reveal to you here. Now, using those signs which they left now, security forces have been hunting for these groups until Friday, 16th December 2022, when police teams raided the suspected ADF cell in Maganjo, where 2 suspects were arrested. And then, after arresting them, they found out that these were ADF connected with Congo and so on. And then, of course, the security forces got more bobonero now, more clues. And then they confirmed that the ones who had attacked Busika police station on the 31st of October, killing the 2 policemen and robbing the 2 guns. They are the ones who killed the cow of Buko. You remember there was a cow of Buko who was killed. He was called Mr. Gwang at Matuga. Now, following this more information, police intensified the hunt for their accomplices until the night of the 18th December 2022 at 23 hours, which is 11 p.m. at night, when police teams raided an ADF cell in Kitomatuga, where 2 terrorists were shot dead, namely Muanguzi, Abdul Shakur, and Hajuli Akim. 2 SMGs were recovered, and explosives in bags recovered and safely detonated by the police bomb squad. Evidence of detonators and other explosives and metro bars were found. Initial police forensic analysis has confirmed that one of the recovered guns is the very one the criminals robbed when they attacked Busika police station, while the second one was robbed from a private security guard at Rugoma Kawempe police station in September 2022. So now, this group now is fully accounted for. There are still a few members of their group whom they are hunting.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.